Centella asiatica, commonly known as Mandukaparni, is a creeping perennial plant. Known for its medicinal and culinary prowess, Centella asiatica is now bringing a green revolution to rural India. In traditional medicine, Centella asiatica is best known as a plant to treat skin diseases, inflammation, epilepsy, and even mental illness. Centella asiatica is regarded as a powerful nerve tonic, boosting memory, calming the mind, and healing the body. In Charaka Samhita, Mandukaparni is also praised as a plant with anti-aging property. Its economic value lies in its leaves, fresh or dried, now a staple in herbal drug industries. Meet Mr. Mahadev D. Power, a dedicated farmer from Gadag, Karnataka, who has successfully embraced the cultivation of Centella asiatica. According to him, for cultivation of Centella, the land is to be plowed thoroughly and brought to fine tilth. The black cotton soil is ideal for Centella. After plowing, divide the field into neat beds and apply light irrigation before planting to help roots anchor well. Mr. Pawar sourced rooted stem cutting of Dhanvantari and Lucknow varieties from the Indian Institute of Horticultural Research, Bangalore. Using these stem cuttings with rooted nodes, he established a nursery. After 4 to 6 weeks, he transplanted healthy rooted stem cutting collected from nursery into the main field during March-April at a spacing of 60 to 40 centimeters. Thus, Mr. Pawar used about 1 lakh stem cutting, which weigh about 27.5 kilograms, for planting in 1 hectare area. Mr. Mahadev Pawar applied about 5,000 kilogram farmyard manure per hectare as basal dose at the time of land preparation. A light irrigation was given after first planting. The light irrigation is required at every 4 to 6 days interval till the plants get established firmly. Thereafter, the irrigation is subjected to the field condition and as per the crop requirement. Mr. Mahadev Pawar followed drip irrigation for efficient management of water and to prevent growth of weeds. Centella asiatica yields 750 to 1000 kilogram fresh leaves per hectare from a single harvest, and yield can be obtained 4 times a year, each harvest contributing to a steady income stream. The first year cultivation costs around 1.75 lakhs per hectare, but in subsequent years, it drops to 1 lakh. With market prices ranging from Rs 70 to Rs 100 per kilogram, farmers can earn between Rs 2.5 to Rs 4.25 lakhs annually. The benefit-cost ratio of 3.3 clearly shows Centella asiatica is a profitable and sustainable crop. Each hectare requires 80 to 100 labor days per year, creating rural employment and supporting local communities. Centella asiatica, once rooted in ancient medicine, is emerging as a key player in modern health and beauty markets. The global Centella asiatica extract market is valued at $401 million in 2024. It is expected to reach $581 million by 2032, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 3.4% from 2026 to 2032. This growth is driven by rising demand across cosmetics, traditional medicine, nutraceuticals, and functional foods, fueled by its reputed anti-aging, skin renewing, and overall wellness benefits. As the global wellness trend gains momentum, Centella asiatica stands out as sought-after natural ingredient for holistic health.